I'm back again with another Sony extra bass speaker, this time in the SRS-XB31. Smaller than the last extra bass Sony speaker I reviewed, probably about 1/8 of the size. I can carry it in my hand, go in a backpack, shoulder bass, you know, old school kind of style. Let's have a little look inside the Sony SRS-XB31 and see what we get inside the box, shall we? Straight up, the speaker. We get the starter manual, register the product, wireless guide, wireless reference material, same again, how to set up the application if you're on Apple Store or Google Play, how to set up the party booster, European guarantee. Okay, so let's set up the Sony wireless speaker. To do so, you're just going to hold on the power button until the lights come on, and then again you're going to hold it down further until it says Bluetooth pairing.
Bluetooth pairing.
Then you can get your mobile device, SRS-XB31. There you go, all set up. As always, when I'm doing my speaker tests, I like to do the volume ranges from 50%, 75% and 100%. I just do a quick test through all three, so you can always get the full range of volume that kind of comes out of the speakers. So let's start off on 50%. I like this. I like this a lot. So what they've done is you can still pair all these speakers together, all these extra bass speakers together to kind of create this massive party atmosphere. Sticking to the lights again with flashing lights again on them. Got the strobe lights built in. And I have massive respect for Sony. I always believe that Sony products are really high end. I mean, the camera I'm using now is a Sony 6300. I've got Sony TVs, got Sony speakers already. I am a big fan of Sony. This speaker then, let's have a little talk about it. I'm always a big fan of a speaker that is waterproof, that is portable like this size. You know, if you're purchasing one of these, you're either taking them to parties, kind of pool parties, having them by the side of the pool, having them out in the garden. They're designed to be taken outdoors, these kind of speakers. So if you're waterproof, you've only got a one up on a majority of speakers these days that are wireless. But you're seeing it more and more now, which is good, which is really good. This speaker is not 360. There is a couple of speakers that I know, in particular the UE booms and the mega booms, that are waterproof, 360 audio, but the only thing they obviously lack is this nice lighting system. Lighting system's cool, but obviously ineffective during the day really. It's not really gonna, you're not gonna light up this room using this, and nor are you really gonna notice much of the change of colour in the room, which kind of sucks. As you can tell, these pack a punch. Not the best bass that I've actually heard from the Sony speakers. I mean, they are known for the extra bass line, but the big speakers that I've got themselves pump out a lot more. But then again, like I said, they're about 8 times the size of this. But that said, I'm very impressed again by Sony. They have delivered. The sound quality is amazing, thus being waterproof as well, which means I'm very confident taking this out and about with me. Dustproof as well, and these don't feel like they're going to break. I feel like if they're going to hit something, it's going to cause damage to the ground. These are very hefty speakers. So these speakers are going to set you back £150, which is really good for a portable speaker of this quality. There's just one little trick that I kind of save for last, which is the live sound, which I think is, do you know what? I don't think it's going to be a feature that's going to be used all the time, but it's pretty funky. So if you go ahead and slap the top, well, depending which orientation you have, I'm going to say this is the top, this is the bottom, and this is the front, you get some live sounds. See? Now, I am no DJ, but I'm pretty sure if someone got their hands on this, they had a bit of skill, they could make some decent beats. But yeah, I think that's for 150 quid. Dustproof, amazing bass, waterproof, 24 hours of charge, nice lighting system for dark, strobe lights. and that tapping beat thing, I really, really like it. If you're going for pure sound and all you want is rich, nice quality, this is not necessarily your speaker, but if you wanted a well-rounded product, I think Sony have stolen the show here. For this size, this price category, Sony again have delivered a very, very good speaker. In the comment section below, if you already own the product, please let me know what you already think. If you're about to purchase a product and then you get it because of this review, please also let me know what you think. If there's nothing I've covered in this video, again, let me know in the comment section below. If this video could get 20 likes, it'd be more than appreciated. It always helps me to grow my channel and be able to get more things out there, so please do so. I know my reviews are a bit rusty, a bit short sometimes, and I don't like to cover everything, but if there's anything that you want to know about, I can let you know in the comment section below. I'm very quick at responding. But for now, that's the Sony SRS-XB31 speakers. Done.